All right, Chris, thank you. 6:02 is your time, and the trial for the man accused in a complicated murder case is set to begin this morning. Fox Carolina was the first to alert you to the many twists and turns in the killing on Canebrake. It all started on October 13th, 2021, when Christina Parcell was found stabbed to death on the living room floor of her home in Greer on Canebrake Drive. She was stabbed more than 30 times. Then in November 2021, this man, Zachary Hughes, was arrested and charged with her murder. His trial was set to begin last month, but it was postponed because there were not enough qualified jurors. Hughes is a Juilliard-trained pianist who also had a brief stint in military training. Initially, there was not a known connection between Hughes and Parcell, but Fox Carolina obtained a bombshell court filing in September 2022. The motion revealed Hughes was close friends with John Mello. Mello shared a child with Parcell, and the two were involved in a bitter custody battle. Investigators would later charge Hughes and Mello with harassing Parcell in the months leading up to her death. But Mello is not charged with her murder. But there was yet another arrest in the wake of Parcell's death. While investigating, deputies said they made a disturbing discovery. Parcell's fiance, Bradley Post, who you see there on your screen, was charged with multiple counts of sexual exploitation of a minor. Investigators say he both possessed and made child abuse material. Court records accuse Parcell of participating in this. However, she was never charged nor convicted. Now, as Hughes is set to go to
As Hughes is now set to go to trial this morning, we sat down with our legal analyst who will join us throughout these hearings, and we asked what he thinks about the evidence that will be presented.
I think you're going to see a lot of not only technology-based evidence, but a lot of common sense. In other words, follow along with the circumstantial evidence and see if you can connect the dots. Why was in the area? What business would he have had there? What's his connection to these people? And isn't it awfully convenient, wouldn't you think, that he's here and there and we followed him here and there and now she's deceased? I think the victim and her actions and the actions of those immediately around her are going to be hotly on trial throughout this whole case. I think it's going to be explosive like nothing the upstate has seen, and I'm looking forward to keeping an eye on it.
Well, we know that this is a very complicated case with a lot of twists and turns, so our investigative team has worked diligently to bring you in-depth breakdowns, and you can find all of our coverage of the killing on Canebrake at foxcarolina.com. Just click on the Canebrake trial tab, and you can find a 7-part video series as well that explains all of the twists and turns. Again, just head to foxcarolina.com or the Fox Carolina News app.
We're following a first alert.